Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. pinaparinggan ang China. Mayroon talagang bansang hindi natuto sa masamang epekto ng digmaan. Peace o kapayapaan nga ang solusyon dyan para maiwasan. Pero papaano iiwasan ang digmaan kung may bansang uhaw na uhaw sa kapangyarihan? Hindi nga tayo naghahamon ng gyera kasama ang US. Bagkus naghahanda lang tayo dahil sa panahon ngayon, hindi na talaga maiiwasan ang magkaroon ng malawakang gyera.
We are a little bit disappointed to see that the world, parts of the world, and many countries in the world have yet to learn that lesson. And we hope that that peace will be brought to us soon. The solution to war is not more war, and that the solution to war is only peace. An honorable peace that is arrived at by the different parties involved in having a hand and a voice in achieving that peace.
Kahit nga ang Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force ayaw na daw magpaggera. Ayon yan sa ambasador ng Japan. Pero papaano nga hindi-hindian yan? May mga bansang nagdidiktang magkakaroon talaga ng gera. Patama nga ng Japan sa China dahil anumang oras nga ay gegerahin na ng China ang Taiwan at madadamay dito ang Pilipinas at Japan. Dito naghahanda na raw ang Japan na lumaban para sa kapayapaan.
Japan is determined to never allow the devastation of war to be repeated ever again. We will continue to make every possible effort, seizing every opportunity to safeguard peace and securing its lasting impact for both present and future generations. The current global security landscape is fraught with challenges. Unilateral attempts to change the status quo by force continue to intensify, creating a complex and uncertain environment. Amidst this backdrop, the Philippines holds a critically strategic position for Japan and the entire region. A maritime nation sharing vital sea lanes and situated at a crossroad of geopolitical significance. Today, the bond between Japan and the Philippines has reached an unprecedented level of friendship and cooperation under the leadership of President Marcos. This is clearly demonstrated in our shared efforts to enhance security and law enforcement capabilities.
Kung dati nga magkakalaban ang US, Japan at Pilipinas, ngayon maituturing na magkakasanggana ang tatlong bansa pag nagkaroon ng gera sa Asia.
The Philippines and the United States, once divided by conflict, now stand united as allies and partners. We are not only committed to be working closely bilaterally, but also to deepening our trilateral cooperation. This is an enduring achievement that holds far-reaching significance. We are now working hand in hand, strengthening our robust partnership to foster global peace and prosperity. Through sustained dialogue, our three nations have also forged a deeper, unbreakable bond of friendship. I believe in our shared ability to carry our friendship forward, growing stronger with each passing generation.
Sabi nga ng defense analyst na si Max Montero at paulit-ulit ko na ring sinasabi, maggaganap ang gerang posibleng sumira sa buong mundo at mangyayari talaga yan. Papaano may iwasan kung tayo na mismo ang nakararanas ng pangaharas? Handa na ba kayo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salubin.